All right, let me take this across to our guest now. Joining us, Dr. Kaushal Kant Mishra, spokesperson of BJP, is with us. R. Rajgopalan is senior journalist. We have Imran Ahmed Ali, lawyer and political analyst. Dr. Pooja Mishra is national spokesperson of Samajwadi Party. Let me come across to you first, Kaushal Kant Mishra. First question to you. Respond to what Charanjit Singh Channi is saying. He's saying, जिस पार्टी ने सब कुछ दिया है रवनीत सिंह बिट्टू को, अगर वो छोड़ के चला गया तो वो गद्दार नहीं तो क्या है? प्लीज रिस्पॉन्ड.
अब तो ये आपको ही सोचना है कि अगर किसी भी मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट को आप गद्दार कहते हैं तो उसको कैसा लगता है. क्या आप किसको गद्दार कह रहे हैं? क्या जिन लोगों ने चुन करके भेजा उनको गद्दार कह रहे हैं? और पार्टी बदलने का मतलब ये नहीं है कि आपका मन बदल गया. मतभेद हो सकता, मनभेद नहीं हो सकता लोकतंत्र में. यहां पर लोकतंत्र की बात है और लोकतंत्र में बहुत सारे नेता पार्टी बदलते हैं तो क्या वो सब गद्दार हो जाते हैं? गद्दार का तो काम, राहुल गांधी का तो इतिहास भरा पड़ा है, लिस्ट है पूरी. जिस तरीके से उन्होंने गद्दारी करते हुए, बताता हूं, जब डोकलाम का इंसिडेंट चल रहा था, उन्होंने गद्दारी करते हुए चाइना के राजदूत से मुलाकात की और जब वो एक्सपोज हुए तो उन्होंने पहले कहा नहीं 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 नहीं, हम तो मिले नहीं थे. जब फोटो आ गई तब उन्हें एक्सेप्ट करना पड़ा. इसे गद्दारी कहते हैं. गद्दारी इसे कहते हैं कि जब चाइना आपकी बहुत बड़ी लैंड पे कब्जा कर लेता और आप कुछ नहीं करते, इसे गद्दारी कहते हैं. गद्दारी इसे कहते हैं कि जब मुंबई टेरर अटैक हुआ था उसके बाद आपने सेना के हाथ बांध दिए थे, अटैक करने से रोक दिया था. क्यों? क्योंकि आपका वोट बैंक खत्म जाएगा. इसे कहते हैं देश से गद्दारी करना. देश से गद्दारी करना इसे कहते हैं कि जब एक बड़ा पेड़ गिरता है तो धरती हिलती है. यह कह के एक पूरी कौम के ऊपर अटैक कर देना, एक पूरी कौम के ऊपर दंगे फैला देना, सिखों को
I want Imran Ahmed Ali to respond to that. Imran Ahmed Ali, respond to what Kaushal Kant Mishra is saying. He's saying this is the Gaddari. He has cited certain examples from 84 anti-Sikh riots to what has happened in 26/11, so on and so forth. But the point is this: the BJP has come out and said that this is an insult of the Sikh community, the manner in which this has happened. Because Ravneet Singh Bittu, he may be a member of parliament, he may be a union minister, but he's also the grandson of Beant Singh, somebody whose life has been taken by terrorists in service of the nation.
You know, Madhav, you're absolutely right, and you've taken the words right out of my mouth. When Mr. Bittu is the grandson of a person who has lost his life to defending and to go against and fighting against terrorism in Punjab, when you talk about a gentleman who has won from Anandpur Sahib in 2009 from Congress, 14 and then 19 also from the Congress, I do not feel this would be a disrespect to the Sikh community because this was not aimed at the Sikh community. I personally do not know of any instance where the Congress has actually been against Sikh. Now,
what is 84 riots? They are citing 84 riots. When a big tree falls, the ground shakes. What is that? This is what the BJP is saying.
Madhav, I 100% agree with you. But here we are talking about the instance where he has called him a traitor. Now, if someone leaves your party and joins hands on the other side, if you are to not call him a traitor, what are you to call him? Number one. Number two, my only question to you again, now since we're talking about Indochina, how is it fair that one member of parliament gets to quote book on book, while is the other, and mind you, this is not a book written by an ordinary citizen of the country. This is a highly decorated soldier of the country. He's been chief of army staff. He's got courts and although pending for review before the Ministry of Defense. Is it fair?
You answered that question. If it is not cleared by the Ministry of Defense, then obviously it's subject to change. And is this the first time that an army chief's book is being subjected to review by the Ministry of Defense?
No. Madhav, then tell me one. If it is not available, now here it is very clear from the video excerpts that you played that it is widely available on Amazon. Now a book that is...
For pre-release review, let me bring